welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. I'm Mr. Zaman and here's what I bring to you all from the world of medicine. How obstructive sleep apnea is associated with increased risk of cancer and other adversities. How obstructive sleep apnea is associated with increased risk of cancer and other adversities. People suffering from obstructive sleep apnea (OSA) are at a higher risk of cancer according to a large study presented at the European Respiratory Society International Congress in Barcelona, Spain. A second study showed that OSA was also linked to a decline in processing powers in the elderly, in particular those aged 74 years or more, and men showed a steeper decline in certain cognitive tests. A third study found that patients with more severe OSA were at greater risk of developing blood clots in their veins, a potentially life-threatening condition. A recent trial that showed stem cell gene therapy for ALS. Cedar Sinai investigators have developed an investigational therapy using support cells and a protective protein that can be delivered past the blood-brain barrier. This combined stem cell and gene therapy can potentially protect diseased motor neurons in the spinal cord of patients with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, a fatal neurological disorder known as ALS. In the first trial of its kind, the Cedar Sinai team showed that delivery of this combined treatment is safe in humans. Novel methods to faster and more accurately find antigens triggering specific immune cells. A cell's secrets can be divulged by its surface decorated with tens to hundreds of thousands of molecules that help immune cells determine friend from foe. Some of those protruding molecules are antigens that trigger the immune system to attack, but it can be difficult for scientists to identify those antigens, which often vary across individuals in the molecular forest. A team of Stanford scientists, led by Polly Fordis, has developed a new method to faster and more accurately predict which antigens will lead to a strong immune response. Their approach, which was reported in Nature Methods, could help scientists develop more effective cancer immunotherapies. Importance of exercise on managing heart disease as guided by the ACC. The Journal of the American College of Cardiology has issued a 4-part focus seminar series on sports cardiology and of the impact of physical activity, cardiorespiratory fitness, and exercise training on the general US population and professional athletes' cardiovascular health. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.